City, remember you used to drive a Yukon. I pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? In the phantom with the roof gone.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me, my name is Shania. And in today's video, I'll be going on a beach trip with my friend. Yeah, this is the outfit. Yeah, this is the outfit. Yeah, so I'm finna leave. The house is 11:48. Y'all, I got my nails done too. I don't think I recorded that, but yep, got my hair done too. Why is this coming like this? Y'all don't know what the last time I recorded. I still got videos to upload, but I haven't edited it yet, so I'm gonna do that when I'm on the trip though. But yeah, okay, gotta leave. I'm going to our grandma's house, so we're gonna leave at like 1. So I'll just catch y'all when I catch y'all, and yeah, bye. Hold on, please.
Long way down. He loves to just be running free.
Yeah.
It's not, I know, it's not.
So we're finna go eat. It's like, what time is it?
It's 8:31. I just come in.
Me too. Hair poking
I might
out.
get you to go over my hair.
Okay. We was gonna get in the pool, but they closed at 10.
Let Autumn. Come here, Autumn.
Pool closed at 10, so we ain't gonna do it. We're gonna go in the morning or tomorrow. Yeah.
We're gonna get in the pool in the morning, y'all. And the beach. Well, tomorrow sometime.
Yep, yeah. That Pop-Tart ice cream bar.
No, they
Ain't
not.
this what's called?
Yeah.
Why is this turn like this? But yeah.
I'm on something.
So we're gonna do that. And y'all, I can see y'all then.
You stop.
Wait, you doing this for a vlog? Yeah.
Chill. Stop.
Hey, work. Chill.
Okay.
Small Caesar.
Another fries?
Caesar.
Anyways, so like she has a like it.
She said no. We got that.
There's an extra bowl on the bottom there.
Anyways, I swear. Wait, you know the kids at the other table? No, here.
Oh wait. Boo.
No, thank you for this meal.
Amen. Yeah.
I thought we were right outside.
Oh, let me take the picture.
Looking at the process.
They're good looking. Really good. Okay, okay. This is Autumn, y'all. This is Xander, right? This is Xander. And Cuban's over there. He's on his stuff.
Anyways, as I was
Salad.
Alright. Good.
Hey. You're gonna see this when you get older and like, so nonchalant. Yeah, so Next day. So right now we're going to go to Walmart to get a few things, and then after that we're going to the beach with the kids. They're already out there, but we're waiting. There you go. And I think we're walking the strip and stuff. So I'll see y'all. I'm gonna charge this camera up some more. Yeah. So we're in Walmart. We're gonna find these Pop-Tart things. No, I haven't. I haven't told you. You want to?
Or you want to try those? You tried them before?
Ice Ice was not the same though. Oh my God, it's right here.
Which one y'all want to try? They got the Rice Krispies too.
Let me try that one too.
You want to try the Rice Krispies? Okay. Let's get the original one of these.
Oh my God. I think we just getting stuff in here. Yeah. Look at Bestie. Something wrong with this camera, so we just gonna end it. Okay, y'all, so we out here at the beach.
I try to give him water. He don't know what to do. Put water in there.
She's saying and ain't even no sun out. You got to build a sandcastle.
Yep.
Look at these kids. These jumps are dirty. Look at this, Mom. Come on. I burnt myself this morning. Wait, is it recording? Yeah. Oh. You don't care? Okay. Here you go. So Monster is making a sandcastle. Look, y'all. She's making a sandcastle. Oh wait. She's making a sandcastle, y'all. I kind of need the other one. They're using that for water. Look at my sister, y'all. Ooh, not me getting to know how to work this camera. Yeah. You making a big one? Yeah. Ooh, I'm about to help you. This one broke. That's why they're not eating. Well, he was just digging in the sand. Oh, cracked it. And that's how far right there. It is. The only down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10. Yep. Why did it get red? Poor Larry. Well, we about to see how far the sand goes. It's gonna take us a little minute. Okay. Back already. You going back down here?
Yeah.
Right,
Are you?
Yep.
Let's go!
Let's go. I need to get my legs wet.
The water cold. The water is cold, y'all. Y'all see my shorts rolled up, man? Y'all, look. See her outfit, so cute. Like, okay. I can't really see. Did you just see? Wait. Oh, we gotta go get. Look, bro, look at her grandson. Wait. Look at Q out there. We should do that. Beyonce house. Xander.
Oh, you wanna do it? You gotta make it on. I look rough. You can do it. Okay, let me see. Sweetie, y'all look a mess. Oh, the reason why I don't have a baby suit on, because we're going to the pool later.
Okay, come on.
You about to do a TikTok? Y'all look bad.
I'm about to clip this on your thing. Okay, hair. Okay, hair. It's tangled right now, y'all. It's really tangled.
Alright, she about to do a TikTok. Alright, come on. Oh my god, y'all paused it on accident. Autumn. So we finna continue doing this. I'm about to put this camera back. I'm gonna catch y'all when we catch y'all. I think we walking the strip too. And the pool.
strip. After this.
Oh, let's do that. We gotta get what's it called, of course. I'll be back, y'all. We about to do TikToks and jump. Yeah. I gotta run back. Put the camera back. Oh. So we're walking the strip.
I'm being a
Mom, dog. Yeah.
unfortunately.
I record when we're doing something entertaining, fun, maybe. C7. We in the candy store.
In the candy store reading. Bro, you look like this baby, bro.
Why is this camera like this? I don't know what to get. It's too many options and choices. Like, let me see that again. Yeah, no. You might as well eat that one.
You should get one.
Oh my god, I would throw up.
Me too, girl.
I'm about to get one.
You wanna get some? We're not stealing.
Oh.
We're not stealing. Do you want some?
Let's just get one though.
No, ma'am.
I'm not good. We're not good. Okay, we can just get a bag together. So you want
that sounds more like it.
Okay, so like we gotta get the ones at the bottom though. Cause hold on guys, let me set y'all up.
Yeah, I can't really like green. I said so green and yellow.
Alright.
Who's buying this?
Me. Okay, I want some Jolly Ranchers.
Let's get some Jolly Ranchers. Is
You
this
know
what my mom's
something
talking
good.
about? No, that's not what she's talking about.
I love Jolly Ranchers. So we just gonna
Get a whole thing of them.
Oh, more blue though. More blue. No purple.
Yeah, no purple.
So blue, green, red. A lot of it.
You laughing at me?
Okay, and then
You said green?
yeah.
Yeah.
I want some. Oh, I want these.
And this is all of our candy, like both of our candy in one bag.
Yeah, I don't want nothing else. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Oh, these are so cute though. Autumn like making me like. Oh, like they got turtles too. What's cute?
Do you want to buy this one?
No, that's fine.
Do you want a seat?
No, that's fine. Thank you.
Have a nice one.
I'm talking about YouTube. She already said it. Oh. It smells it. You gonna have to try it like this. I don't want to. It's not gonna be good.
Sorry, it's okay.